So good morning, everybody. So it's always pleasure to be in Hyderabad, belonging to Hyderabad. At the outset, I thank the organizers and especially Dr. Chinababu for inviting me here. Of course, I had grievances because it's been weekend and I'm made to travel on a weekend. However, uh, AI is such like it's very exciting times now. It has immense potential. At the same time, there are many challenges. So what we generally, if you are a common man, if I'm a common man, so I generally go through the paper and see AI makes people lose their jobs. And for example, my son is a PhD and he works on developing new AI chipsets. And he is a scientist at Intel, but he also uh, is in the risk of losing his job because of AI. The jobs have become redundant. So that is the situation right now. And I mean, regarding the challenges, there are so many concerns among the patients, among the developers, and the care providers, everyone. So everyone is learning, field is emerging. So India had a separate medical device rules in 2017. They have come into effect. All medical devices, including AI, SAMD, are regulated by CDSO, that is the drug regulator. And we classify these SAMDs in four categories: A, B, C, D. D being the highest risk, and A being the lowest risk. And CD, these categories we do it ourselves. Our inspectors will assess these products. We give licenses. Uh, and we are also learning. So basically, everyone is learning. The industry is emerging. Regulators are learning, and today, India is more dependent upon the imported medical devices, especially under C and D categories. So regarding A and B, we are, maybe we can say, self-sufficient because most of them are disposables. But in case of high-tech, high-end products, so we are depending upon imports. And in the next 5 years, so this scene is going to change, and we are going to become almost the seventh largest market in the world as far as the devices is concerned. And so what when we consider, because devices and these are all part of the healthcare system, wherein drugs are also one major component. So in drugs, we are of the leading manufacturer for generic drugs, so we never ventured into innovative drugs. But however, we have large pool of engineers in India, and moreover, the engineers who are developing these new end technologies in US or any other country, majority are Indians. So we should venture from becoming a generic product manufacturer to an innovative product manufacturer in the years to come. Uh, and CDSO, so we are encouraging all the engineers, manufacturers to innovate in India, and we are hand-holding them. We have many initiatives to promote new medical devices in the country. And with this, probably I have another talk, so we'll discuss then. Thank you very much.